Hi friends, I'm Gautam. Our project title is Intelligent Ticket Checking System in Train. Our Indian Railway is currently dealing with lots of problems such as passengers who are traveling into the train without having the valid ticket, cleanliness and the passenger assistant train. Our major problem is passengers traveling into the train without having the valid ticket. To overcome this problem, we implement a project. Our project consists of 6 modules. Let us see the construction and working of our project. First of all, the total setup of our circuit works in 5-volt power supply. We are using a step-down transformer to convert the 230-volt AC supply into 12 volt. The 12-volt AC supply is given to the bridge rectifier circuit. The PCB designing is readily available in the market, and this bridge rectifier circuit consists of a bridge diode and a voltage regulator IC7805 to provide a constant 5-volt DC supply. Let me see about MSB430 F5969. From the RPS, 5 volts DC supply is given to the J12 of MSB430. MSB430 F5969 is a ultra low power frame technology based 16-bit microcontroller unit, 20-pin launchpad standard that leverages the booster pack ecosystem. 1 microfarad supercapacitor for standalone power supply. On board easy fit emulation. 2 buttons and 2 LEDs for user interaction. From jumper J1 of MSB430, the power supply is given to the 2 IR sections, and it also the supply given to the Zigbee module. The output signal of IR1 is given as the input signal in the pin of P1.7 of MSB430, and the IR2 is given to the pin P1.5. Then the output signal of IR3 is given as the input signal in the pin of P1.4, and the IR4 is given to the pin of P1.3. From J5, the ground is interconnected to the VSS and read and write pins of LCD display. The pin P1.2 is given to the LCD register pin. The pin P3.6 is given to the data pin 5 of LCD display. The pin P3.5 to the data pin 4 of LCD display. The pin P3.4 to the data pin 3 of LCD display. The pin P2.2 to data pin 2 of LCD display. Totally, these pin arrangements is commonly connected to the LCD display. For communication purpose, Zigbee is used to transmit the data from train to station. The pin RXD P2.6 is connected to the Tiic pin of Zigbee module, and the pin TXD P2.5 is connected to the RX pin of Zigbee module. Zigbee is used for wireless communication and it works at 2.4 GHz. The receiver section at the station is used to receive the data from the train by using a Zigbee. It is connected to the database system. Let us see about the working of a project. IR section 1 consists of IR1 and IR2. The IR section 2 it consists of IR3 and IR4. The higher section 1 is fixed at the door 1 and the higher section 2 is fixed at the door 2. When a person enters into the door 1, first the person cuts the IR 1 and then IR 2. Then the signal sends into the MSB 430. Then it counts 1 in the LCD display. When a person leaves the door, first the person cuts the IR2 and IR1. Then the signal sends into the MSB 430. Then it displays count 0 in the LCD. As I already told before, when a person enters into the door, one count will be increased in LCD. At the same time, the increased data also displayed in the database system by using ZigBee wireless communication. And that a person leaving the door, one count will be decreased in the LCD. At the same time, the decreased data also displayed in the database system by using ZigBee wireless communication. The counting and decounting process is programmed in MSB 430 F4969. It sends the data, total number of persons in the train to the station. At station, the authority compares the received data with the number of tickets sold for a particular train. If there is a mismatch, the authority takes the necessary action, then the unauthorized person will be punished.
By implementing our project, we can increase the Indian economy and it is helpful for future planning and development of Indian Railway, and it also reduces the unauthorized person travelling into the train. We hope our project is helpful to our society and we can create a standard Indian Railway. Thank you.